If you've been doing everything right, and that belly fat just won't budge, you're not crazy, you're not broken, and it's not your fault, because most of what you've been told about losing belly fat is wrong. The calorie counting, the cardio, the endless gym sessions, none of it hits what's actually causing your body to hold fat. But Dr. Berg, one of the most followed health doctors in the world with over 14 million subscribers, says there are 5 simple changes you can make, starting tomorrow, that will hit belly fat where it lives. No keto required, no fasting required, no gym required. Just 5 things most people get wrong every single day. Let's get into them. Secret number 1, stop drinking your calories. This is the single fastest way, period, to start losing belly fat. And most people don't even realize they're doing it. Every time you drink something with sugar in it, soda, juice, sweetened coffee, energy drinks, even those healthy smoothies loaded with fruit, you're sending an instant insulin spike through your body. And insulin is the master fat storage hormone. When insulin is high, your body cannot burn fat. It physically can't. It's locked in storage mode. Dr. Berg has said this repeatedly. Belly fat is not a calorie problem, it's an insulin problem, and liquid sugar is the most efficient way to keep insulin elevated all day long. A single 20-ounce soda contains around 15 teaspoons of sugar. Your body wasn't designed to process that. Cut the liquid sugar, water, black coffee, or unsweetened tea instead, and you'll often see results within days, not weeks. Days. Secret number 2, eat protein at every single meal. Most people undereat protein and overeat carbs. That's a recipe for belly fat. Dr. Berg recommends 3 to 6 ounces of quality protein with every meal. Eggs, chicken, fish, beef, lamb, even Greek yogurt. Why does this work? Because protein triggers satiety hormones that tell your brain you're full. It stabilizes your blood sugar so you don't crash and crave carbs an hour later. And it's the only macronutrient that actually requires energy to digest. Your body burns calories just to break it down. Studies published in the journal Obesity have shown that higher protein intake is directly associated with reduced visceral fat, the dangerous fat around your organs that drives metabolic disease. Aim for a palm-sized portion of protein at every meal. That's it. No counting, no tracking. Just make sure protein is on your plate every time you eat. Secret number 3, walk after your meals. This one sounds almost too simple to work, but it's one of the most studied and most effective tools for blood sugar control. After you eat, your blood sugar spikes. The higher it spikes, the more insulin your body releases, and the more fat it stores. A study published in the journal Sports Medicine found that walking for just 10 to 15 minutes after a meal significantly reduces blood sugar spikes compared to sitting. Your muscles act like sponges. They pull glucose out of your bloodstream and use it for fuel instead of letting it get stored as fat. You don't need to walk fast. You don't need to walk far. Just move for 10 minutes after eating, after breakfast, after lunch, after dinner. That's 30 minutes a day total, and it can dramatically reduce visceral fat over time without changing anything else on this list. Secret number 4, cut out the alcohol. This one's hard to hear, but it's one of the biggest hidden drivers of belly fat. Here's what Dr. Berg has explained. When you drink alcohol, your liver stops everything else it's doing to deal with the alcohol first, because alcohol is technically a toxin, and while your liver is processing it, fat burning shuts down completely. Research has shown this effect can last up to 72 hours after a single drinking session. So if you're drinking even a few times a week, your body is spending most of its time not burning fat. Alcohol also raises cortisol, the stress hormone that specifically tells your body to store fat around your midsection. And it disrupts your sleep, which we'll get to in a second. You don't have to quit forever, but cutting back significantly, or eliminating it during a fat loss phase, will accelerate results faster than almost anything else on this list. Secret number 5, get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. This is the most underrated belly fat secret of them all. When you don't sleep enough, your body produces more cortisol, and cortisol is the hormone that tells your body to store fat in one specific place, your belly. A study published in the Annals of Internal Medicine found that people sleeping less than 6 hours a night lost 55% less fat than those getting 8 hours, even on the exact same diet. Same calories, same exercise, different sleep, half the fat loss. Poor sleep also crashes your hunger hormones. Ghrelin goes up, leptin goes down. Translation, you wake up hungrier and never feel full. That's why sleep-deprived people crave sugar and carbs all day long. It's not weakness, it's biology. Get to bed earlier, cut screens an hour before sleep, keep your room cool and dark. This single habit alone can do more for your belly fat than hours in the gym. So that's the framework. Stop drinking your calories, eat protein at every meal, walk after meals, cut the alcohol, sleep 7 to 8 hours. None of these require a special diet. None of them require a gym membership, none of them require willpower, they just require knowing what to do, which most people don't. This isn't medical advice. If you're on medication or have health conditions, talk to your doctor before making changes. But the science behind every one of these strategies is published, peer-reviewed, and backed by years of clinical results. If this video helped you, hit subscribe. I break down topics like this every week. Drop a comment and let me know which secret you're going to try first.